Greetings, Benjamin J. from BENZTRAINZ with another in the series. Well, a follow-up on the Lehigh Valley 112 diesel switcher. I installed a headlight in it, but I'm probably going to have to use a grain of wheat bulb. I've got the bulb mounted right about there on the motor, and it just lights up the entire inside of the shell. You can actually see from here forward is bright red. So I'll probably have to use a grain of wheat bulb actually mounted up here. Anyway, I've got this on rail 2 pulling 18 Lionel cars. Just wanted to do a video of this. This is actually quite incredible. As you see, that is a lot of weight for that little switcher to pull. And that's running at about 40% power. Take it up to 50%. All right, here's 50% power. You can see how the entire front of the locomotive is lit up from that light bulb. So like I said, I'll probably just use a grain of wheat bulb to mount it up in the lens. But as you can see, this little DC locomotive running on AC pulling 18 Lionel cars. This is actually quite incredible. This thing weighs nothing but that vertically mounted motor and that helical gear system gives this thing a lot of pulling power, a lot of torque with no wheel slip. And as you see, that's pulling that just absolutely perfectly at 50% power. So let's slow this down. That's a bit better, I think. As you see, it runs just absolutely splendidly all the way around the rail. So it was worth $11.50, plus I got the entire original set. So anyway, I just wanted to do a follow-up on this. Headlight is installed, but like I said, I'll probably use a grain of wheat bulb. But it works, and converted to AC, this little Lehigh Valley 112 is pulling an incredible amount of weight. Just absolutely incredible amount of weight. 18 full-size Lionel cars. So anyway, I just want to do a quick video on this. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to drop me an email. BENZTRAINZ@gmail.com. And as always, thank you for watching.